Hey guys, welcome back. Got another Audi A6 for you. This is a 2018 Prestige. I know I've done a ton of these on the channel, but I got to thinking to myself, why not do one in 2023? So let's do this one. Wonder what happened here. Got a little something going on. You can see there's a little bit more. Hard to see with these reflections. There's some kind of scratches on the wood and stuff. Probably just some little kid. Alright, so the doors appear to be doing pretty good actually. It's just there's a little bit of squeakage on this center console here by the climate vents. Otherwise, backseat area is not bad. I'll just show you the miles right now. 47K. Let's begin. Time to press those buttons. And now for the final button. Alright, how did it do? Guys, if you are veterans of this channel, you've known that I've done older Audis. When I say older, I mean not the absolute newest ones that are out. And historically, they have done pretty well. Can't say the same about this car, though. I don't know what's up with this car. But like most Audis, every place that's solid is extremely solid. No doubt about that. But the squeaks that are in this car are kind of bad. Like I mentioned early in the video, the doors seem to be good. This center console area by the gear lever and some of the MMI controls is mostly good. But we got quite a bit of squeaks on the upper part of the center console, like by the screen and stuff. The gauge cluster is squeaky. There's a couple of undesirable areas here. And the squeaks are not quiet. If they're very subtle squeaks, like, I get it, but these are a bit loud, so not so great. But like every Audi, center console armrest here is rock solid. Can't move it side to side. like in some cars. It's just absolutely solid. They always nail that. I don't know what else to say. I mean, 6 out of 10. There you go. As far as materials go, this is of course going to be pretty consistent. This is a Prestige, but I don't think you get really any upgrades as far as materials go. You just get a little bit of extra tack, like you get the cooled seats, you get the heated steering wheel, you get the heads-up display. I'm not gonna lie though, this heads-up display is kind of basic. Like, all you can do really is raise and lower the height a little bit and then turn it off, and I think you can change the brightness, but that's about it. It only shows your speed, and it doesn't show your current radio station or navigation directions. I could be wrong, and I haven't played around with this very deeply yet, but just from immediately what I could see, it doesn't display much. Let me know in the comments if I am wrong. I'm sure there's an Audi expert out there that will correct me. Anyway, what are we talking about materials for? So, soft touch vinyl, all of your major parts, like on the door, the dash and whatnot. It starts to get hard though on the glove box, and then you already saw the cheap plastic in the rear climate vents area. That's a little bit cheap, but then it's soft over here too, so when you get to the glove box, it gets kind of hard. Over here is hard plastic. I guess that's kind of typical of the class. As far as the trim goes, we have what looks to me like pretty nice wood. It's your standard brown, I guess. I said in the past that these are some kind of fake leather seats from Audi, because I know they make nicer leather with the diamond quilted leather, like in the S6. These, I think I was wrong before. These are actually real, genuine leather. It's just not the highest grade, to be honest. Not that soft. Oh well, it's still leather. And then we have a cloth headliner, and to my surprise, a cloth sun visor. That's actually really nice to see in the German car. Not the worst feeling cloth either, actually. And then, as I've mentioned before, the buttons and switchgear that goes into Audis is pretty good. Everything seems really tight, tactile, and clicky. Some people don't like that. I'm one of the people that do. So there you go. Those buttons are pretty good. I don't think there's really a bad button in this car. So as far as materials go, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. So there you guys have it. The final score is going to be 6 out of 10 for both fit and finish and materials. I have to re-record this part because my camera battery decided to take a derp. I had to swap the battery real quick. This camera does not like 60 frames per second. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I've driven these around before. I mean, they're nothing too crazy special. They're decent cars though. They're smooth and comfortable enough. And the supercharged V6 does a nice job with delivering power. Steering feels pretty numb, pretty artificial. Not great, but that's the case with most Audis. So, yeah, I don't have much to say about the driving experience. It's pretty okay. But let me know your thoughts. I always like to read your comments, your opinions, your criticisms, all of it. Let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching me. Peace.